Hey there, my name is Manther, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more high-value customers into your business. Now you're probably sitting there wondering, why would I want to be doing any of this? We have more than enough customers as it is. Well, what if I told you could choose exactly which customers were calling up your business looking for plumbing work? Rather than having customers calling up your business looking for everyday plumbing jobs, you could instead have customers calling up looking for higher value, higher ticket jobs such as sewer line replacements or tankless water heater replacements. Now, before I delve any further into the video, I just want to mention that I found by giving people this free easy attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has more often than not resulted in them raising their hands at the end and saying, "I like you, Manther, please do the same for me." So if you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it on your own, that works for me too. So now let's not waste any more of your time. So if we're taking a look at your back page over here for sewer repair, now Denver sewer repairs or sewer line replacements are typically going to be higher ticket jobs compared to your average plumbing jobs. So you're going to want to get this page ranking up pretty well to bring in more customers, more high value customers. So now if we're taking a look at this page, we can see that you don't have a lot of content over here. If you want to rank well in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 500 words of content specifically for a back page like this. If we take a look at your top competitor for sewer services in Denver, we see that they don't have that many words either. So what you got to do is you're going to make sure you're going to get at least 500 words of content and make sure you have more words of content than them. Now, if we take a look at, for example, sewer line repair, this is a keyword with 250 searches every single month. Now that specific keyword is only bringing you in about 6 clicks every single month. We can see that this page isn't getting that much traffic. Now there's a reason for it. We can see your top keywords over here. None of them are in the top 3 positions. We got position 9, 10, 11, 11, and 12 for these keywords with a high volume of searches. If we take a look at your top competitor, sewer lines only, we can see that they're bringing in a lot of traffic for these high ticket jobs. 74, 74, 37, 34. The reason is that they're in the top positions, one of the top positions in Google's organic search results. You can see they're position 2, 2, 2, and 3. Now that's where you want to be. If we take a look at Google's search results, we can see over here, the first thing we see over here, we see the Google Map Pack over here. So now, another important aspect of ranking is the Google Map Pack. So what is a Google Map Pack? It basically includes your business's name, address, and phone number. Now, how do you rank in the Google Map Pack, you're probably wondering? Well, let's get to that. So we use a paid tool over here called WhiteSpark. Now this costs roughly between $30 and $70 based on your plan. So what you want to do is you're going to want to take a look at your business's own citations and compare that to your top competitor. So what is a citation, you're probably wondering? Well, it basically includes your name, address, and phone number, also known as your NAPS, exactly as it appears in the Google business page and on your Google business page. So if we take a look at your top competitor over here, a citation for that business will include its name, address, and phone number inputted into specific directories such as Yelp, Yexter, Yellow Pages, you name it. So these citations basically pass power to the business to rank up on the Google Map Pack over here. So the more citations you have, the better. If we take a look at your business, you have 28 citations, while your top competitor only has 18 citations, so they have less than you. However, what you want to do is you want to get all the citations that they have and that you don't. And actually, the best thing to do is you want to get 300 citations just to be on the safe side. If you get 300 citations, you'll beat them by a mile. And one other thing to mention is your actual Google organic ranking over here will impact where you show up on the Google Map Pack for a specific keyword. So ranking up that page will push you to the top over here alongside a good amount of citations. Now the third aspect, which is one of the most important, so basically as we saw that your business doesn't really rank up over here in the first page for sewer line repair Denver. Now one of the things you're definitely missing are backlinks. Now these backlinks are another word we like to use to refer to them is link juice. Link juice basically passes on power to your website. It's basically when one website, let's say website A, links to website B. It gives it authority in Google's eyes. It helps it rank up in Google's eyes. We can see for your specific back page over here, you only have about 19 backlinks and 5 referring domains. If we take a look at your top competitor, we can see they have about 105 referring domains or 402 backlinks. Now that's bringing them in roughly 418 searches every single month, 418 clicks into their website. Now, what you want to do is you want to get the exact same number of backlinks as them and more so. Specifically, what you want to do is take a look at their backlinks and figure out exactly which ones they have, get the same ones and get more than them. That way you'll be beating them by a mile in no time. Now this is a paid tool called Ahrefs. You can also use similar tools, SEMrush, SEO Quake. These tools will help you figure out exactly what backlinks your competitors have and how you can beat them by using the exact same backlinks. So all in all, we spoke about content. You're going to want to get at least 500 words of content. You're going to want to get enough citations, and then you're going to want to get enough backlinks. Take a look at your competitors' backlinks, get the exact same ones, get more than them, and then beat them. Now, you're probably wondering, what now? What should I do? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself a lot of time, you can give me a call at 970-658-2181 and I can help you out. Once again, my name is Munther. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.